Hi, it is Friday night. I've got a little fire there behind me, but I'll admit I am tired. I thought moving countries was hard, but moving interstate in Australia appears to be harder. I mean, at least when we moved countries, we sold everything. We sold cars and furniture. This time around, we're keeping some stuff, some furniture, most of our clothing and kitchenware and stuff goes in boxes and gets shipped early next week from Melbourne to Perth. And where it will be stored, and our pets are leaving, mid next week they'll go to a cattery, and from the cattery they'll fly 2 weeks later to Perth. But there's so much logistics and stuff to work out. I mean, what happens if we get there before they do? What if they get there before we do? Is our furniture and our belongings going to be okay? But at the end of the day, I mean, as long as we're together as a family, it's going to be an incredible adventure. Just driving, taking our time and cruising from Melbourne to Perth, it's going to be incredible. And for those of you that followed a bit of the setup videos on YouTube, you can forget all of that because the setup has changed. So yes, we're still driving with the bakkie and there's still some gear and stuff on it, but this time we'll be towing something. So it's not a caravan, it's a trailer, but it's going to make life easier, especially in the morning when we all wake up and the kids want to sit and have some breakfast outside of the elements, and we're somewhere warm. That's going to be really it's going to make a big difference. But the reason that I started making this video before I went onto a whole rant of chatter is Mariki gave me a call about a week or two ago and said that they are opening up a Bushman Meats store, an actual South African shop in Berwick, and she invited me to come have a bit of a chat with you guys, come take some photos, take some video, and just come celebrate the opening of their brand new South African shop. So if you're in Berwick, I can assure you, you will not find better droëwors or biltong outside of the whole Melbourne area. I mean, if you know, you know. It's going to be fantastic. So meet me there tomorrow morning. I will put the address in the description. And if you're in the neighborhood, please pop in, have a chat. If you want to feature on the channel, tell us a bit about yourself, tell me your story, and yeah, share a bit on what you hope to see on the shelves. I spoke to Mariki earlier today. She says she's ready. Yeah, they've never been more ready ever. And she's going to laugh at this because she knows what I mean. Right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.